What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another Wood Boy vlog video. In this video, I'm gonna be reacting to all the diss tracks I have on me. I don't know why people are dissing me, but I can't lie. Diss people, I can't expect not to get dissed back. But I'm getting dissed by people I didn't diss. Like a little girl I didn't diss. Two of the other diss track people I was beefing with though, so I can't lie about that. But I hope y'all enjoy the video. Subscribe, like, and share this video for more. And peace out. You already know who it is. It's your boy Woodboy Savage, Stefan, or Woodboy Gaming. Peace out, Woodboy Squad.
And shout out to Isaiah Y8426, Faith the Great 9422, Autumn Sparkles 11.
That rude boy Savage kid, you know he don't know how to rap. So how you mention my name on your trash, your music is trash. If I catch you, so how you talking on my name? All your songs is all in, so you best stop playing games. And your songs ain't about the fast. None of y'all know how to rap, so how you talking on my name in your trap? Rude boy Savage, I know where you at. You need to stop mentioning my name. When they keep talking, your sons is all in. Look at your forehead, look at his hair. Bro's bald. He be using the headset to record. He can't get in the studio cause he don't know how to rap. But when I see you, man, I play you finna get slapped. You get slapped off the map cause you keep talking hot. Look at all the fake drip you bought. How many times you gonna keep talking like that? People talking, they don't even know how to rap. But if you wanna mention my name, I'll come back. So you need to stop mentioning my name every day. Hold on, when I see him, he better not play. Rude Savage, I know where you at. Don't come mention my name after this shot. Cause you know, when I see you, better watch out, you gonna get slapped.
Yeah. Ay. 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 I got a Glock and next to hit. If you mess with me in a gang, you finna go missing. I got a Glock, still don't play with me or you gon' get knocked. Yeah, or you gon' get knocked. Yeah, don't play with me or you gon' get knocked. Ay, you bitch is baddie. I got your bitch, she calling me baddie. Ay, you get it fucked up, I tell you, bro. Yeah, I'm only 10. Ay. Guess what I feel like? Ay, who? Ben 10. Whoa. So strong, I feel like Ben 10. Ay, yes, I'm only 10. Only 10. Yes, I'm only 10. Only 10 getting dissed by a 10-year-old. 10-year-old getting dissed by a 10-year-old. 10-year-old. Yeah, you bitch. I got your bitch. She a gold digger. Ay, I'm a real. Ay, nah, I'm just playing. I'm not saying that word. Ay. Fuck you, Steven.